Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel and a bit of a project update. Here we are just looking at the Manta, which I've had up and running this morning. The battery was flat, so I've taken it off to put it on charge, and I chucked my Nova one on and it started up no problem. I've started up Owen as well this morning. He's currently off the road, but today I'm concentrating on Trevor. So as you can see, he's looking quite nice and shiny. I'll just climb up so you can see the roof. You might have seen previous videos where you saw how pink and minging the roof was, so I've been giving it a good buff and polish this morning. I've still got this to polish back off. I've also been freeing up my sunroof because my sunroof was running really stiff. So if I just show you this, look at that. Lovely. Been getting rid of all the green slimy stuff that was around it, cleaning up inside, spraying some lubricant in the runners, and the sunroof now runs nicely. Also show you the bonnet. Look how that's buffed up, polished up, really nice. So the next job which I'm on with is these things. Look at the state of these indicators. Sorry about this shaky camera work. Look at the state of them. Now luckily with the Frontera, I've already done this previously, you can actually remove the lenses. So I'll just wander back inside and I shall show you. This is where I need to get some video editing software so that I can do this a little bit better than this. But yes, here we go. So the lenses, they have like a seam around the edge where it's glued, and I've already had these off in the past, which is why they came off reasonably easily. And then I'm going to use some stronger glue next time to glue them back on. But as you can see, where the truck's been parked up on my drive, not washed particularly regularly. This side's not as bad because this side's not been up against a bush, but this side's been up against a bush, and as you can see, the moss has set in. So my plan is, now I've got these off, to give them a really good clean. I'll clean the inside of the lenses on the truck itself, and I shall just get it looking nicer. Ultimately what I'm trying to do is get him cosmetically sorted. Got the MOT on him the other week. If you've not seen the videos about the MOT, then pop back and have a look on the channel. But now I've got the MOT sorted, I'm just trying to get these cosmetics done. I've got a day off work today. Got some more days off work coming up at the beginning of the end of this month and the beginning of next month. So I've got a fair few days off, so hopefully if the weather's okay like it is today, it's beautiful today. I was off actually over the weekend, but the weather just wasn't good enough to be able to do stuff like this. Plus I had plans Saturday, Sunday, but I was off Friday and the weather was just rubbish, so I didn't manage to get anything done unfortunately. But today the weather's nice, so I'm getting on with buffing and polishing, get these indicators cleaned up, and I'll come back to you once I've got these cleaned up so you can see the huge difference that it has made. Alright guys, thanks for watching, see you shortly, bye.